Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change name on OKX wallet. So in order to update the name on OKX wallet, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log into your OKX wallet. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, go ahead and press the icon in the top left hand side corner. That's going to take you to this field. So here you could go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right, and on this page you can see the information as all of these. So you could go to security, and when you're on the security, you could scroll down a bit, and here you should be able to find this option as nickname or UID. Now you will not be able to change the user ID, which is this, but then you could go ahead and change your nickname. So go ahead and press that, and to select the nickname or to change the nickname, you could just go ahead and erase the present and then type in the new one and click on submit. As you've done that, you can see that the nickname has been successfully changed. So that's basically how you can change your OKX wallet name. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.